Three stocks are about to explode 10,000% and will spark the next phase in the AI boom. This is according to Louis Navellier's recent stock presentation. But as usual, he won't just tell you the names of these stocks. He wants you to pull out your credit card and buy his newsletter before he reveals anything. But don't worry, I have good news. Navellier left enough clues in the presentation to figure out the names of all three stocks, and in this video, I'll reveal them for free. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important information. Before I tell you the names of these stocks, let's learn a bit about who Louis Navellier is and the company he's involved with. Louis Navellier is a well-known stock picker for Investor Place, a prominent financial publishing company that is part of the MarketWise family. MarketWise owns several other popular investing brands, including Stansberry Research, which has built a strong reputation in the investment space. In this particular presentation, Louis is promoting his Growth Investor newsletter, which focuses on identifying high-growth large-cap stocks with significant potential. His investment approach relies heavily on quantitative analysis, using a proprietary system to find stocks that he believes are primed for substantial gains both in the short and long term. The Growth Investor newsletter costs $199 per year and comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. However, Louis often upsells additional services after purchase, some of which can cost upwards of $88,000. These high-priced newsletters typically don't offer refunds, making them a significant financial commitment for potential subscribers. Now let's take a look at Louis's stock-picking history. These are Louis's last 5 stock teasers and how they've performed. In May 2020, Louis Navellier recommended the company Keysight Technologies, calling it the king of 5G. This stock saw a strong performance and doubled in value within a little over a year. However, after that it plateaued and didn't show further significant growth. A few months later, in August 2020, Louis pitched another 5G stock, KLA. This stock has performed exceptionally well, increasing by around 350% since it was first recommended. It has been one of his more successful picks in recent years. In July 2023, Louis made a bold call on NVIDIA, calling it the AI master key and the best way to bet on the growing AI sector. NVIDIA has proven to be a great pick, more than doubling in value since Louis recommended it last summer. In December 2023, Louis recommended 3 AI stocks. The first was Cadence Design Systems, which unfortunately has gone down in value since it was pitched. The second was Fortinet, which has performed well, especially with a recent surge in its stock price. The third stock, KLA, has continued to do well, further supporting Louis's track record in the 5G and tech sectors. 4 months ago, Louis introduced IonQ, a company he called the next NVIDIA and a strong play in quantum computing. However, since then, the stock has been down, showing that not all of his picks are guaranteed to succeed. It's also important to note that in 2017, Louis Navellier was fined by the SEC for allegedly misleading investors about the performance of his Vero Alpha sector strategies. The SEC claimed that his firm overstated the strategy's success while failing to disclose issues with its track record. As a result, Louis and his firm agreed to pay over $30 million to settle the charges, without admitting or denying the allegations. All 3 of Louis's stocks are data center stocks. The first stock is a data center company that leads the industry in edge computing security, handling over 400 billion transactions daily. It is most likely Akamai Technologies, ticker symbol ACAM, a company known for its edge computing solutions and crucial role in securing data during digital transactions. Akamai's earnings have been stable recently but not remarkable. Currently, the stock is trading around $94 per share with a reasonable price-to-earnings ratio of about 15. However, the company's growth might be slowing and the rising competition in the cloud space could limit its upside potential. The second stock is a company which has introduced a revolutionary new way to distribute power in data centers. It operates in 134 countries with over 4,200 locations. This company is likely Vertiv, ticker symbol VRT, which is known for its innovative power distribution solutions for data centers and hyperscale facilities. Vertiv has experienced strong growth, with revenues increasing by 22% year over year. The company is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for cloud computing and data centers. Despite its forward price-to-earnings ratio of 28, which might turn off some investors, the solid revenue growth and improving margins make it an attractive investment. Currently, it's trading at about $127. The third and final company combines data centers and Bitcoin mining. The most likely company in this category is Core Scientific, one of the largest blockchain infrastructure and hosting providers in North America, specializing in Bitcoin mining. Now, if you found this video valuable and you're interested in building long-lasting wealth, I have just the thing for you. Unlike digital currencies like Bitcoin, which are based on pure hype, gold has been valuable for literally thousands of years, and many investors even call it God's money. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, I have a gift for you. Just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.